Alright, lock in, chat. We got some more animal footage. It's time to lock in, man. We see what these crocodiles do to this little zebra or whatever, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, man. Zebras are like, I said zebras. I mean crocodiles, bro. They're one of the most scariest animals to me, dude. Like, no heart. And look, that's a full-grown zebra, bro. Like, if any of y'all ever seen like a horse in real life, like, bro, y'all know how big they are. Look how big this croc is compared to the zebra, bro. Like, they get a hold of you, there's no escaping, bro. Night-night. That's where we're going. That's over with, man. That's just smash, just ripping you up. Man, what is this hippo doing? Get your butt up out of here. I'm still tripping, bro. Like, I'm just trying to, I can't imagine, bro. Them crocs are huge, bro. Cause like, I'm just comparing them also to the size of the hippos. I'm like, oh, them things is big. What is this hippo doing? What the heck? What the hippo start like a zebra meat? I'm genuinely surprised with this hippo. Like, he really knowing on it. Like, get your butt out of here. What are you doing? Now I gotta Google that when later on. I did not know hippos at times will eat flesh as well. That's crazy. I don't know, these crocs is having a time of their life, because any other time when I be seeing like river crossing videos, it'd be 10,000 crocs up there. It's only 3 on a full roll or so. And they about to eat real good. Oh, got a whole leg. It looked like he had a whole leg in his mouth. Dang, well, yeah, that was trippy, man. So much going on right there, man, because I was tripping off my hippo coming and trying to join the feast, like the title says. It was only 3 crocs. Typically, it'd be 9,000 crocs out there. And then, last but definitely not least, man, the size of those things. Because, like I said, I'm sitting here trying to compare them to the zebra, let alone I know how big horses are in real life. And then just looking at the hippos, I'm just like, bruh, it's crazy, man. But if you guys watch the video thus far, man, I greatly appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for rocking with me. If you're into reaction videos, this is my reaction channel. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family, drop a comment so I can return the love. Hit that like button if you're feeling super generous. If you guys got any prayer requests, man, shoot me a DM on any of my socials, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And with that being said, man, I'll see y'all on the next reaction video. You dig. God bless y'all.